Today we will be using the Firm Holding Spray by Influance. The holding spray gives ultimate styling control. Benefits of the holding spray include giving the hair a natural look and soft feel. The conditioning and softening agents hold your style, yet leave your hair manageable and shiny. To use, hold can about 12 inches from hair and spray lightly. The Firm Holding Spray smells great and does not flake. This dry spray is great for a natural look and no fuss finish. To purchase your products, visit www.influencehaircare.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.